As a chairperson and my group, all the commissioners, today we presented all the annual report of the Electoral Commission to the Speaker of the House today, in this morning, and we have now just presented the report to the President, His Excellency the President, and the report includes the annual report regarding our performance for the last year, 2020, which is also including all the survey report of the supervisor of elections, and some statistics have been provided in the report, and we are hoping that this report will give more information to the voters and public and everybody to use this statistics or information from the report for good and for all the voters in Fiji. This report is at the moment with the President and the Speaker at the moment. It will be presented in the Parliament, and once it is presented, it will become a public document. Yes. We have been trying to keep everybody informed about what is happening, and we are also obliged under the current constitution that we do it annually.